Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sing from reviewssoftware.com. Welcome to my Bonus Dynamo review. As you can see now, I'm inside the software, everything got over here. So in this video here, I give you a full demo and a full walkthrough exactly how that works and what is the price and how to use the Bonus Dynamo as well. In a nutshell, this is the all about the make bonus pay. It's really fast. Okay, Bonus Dynamo is how you create the bonus page very fast in minutes. Okay, you know, if you have been doing affiliate long time ago, you need to create a bonus page, right? So to create a bonus page, it take about 30 minutes or less or more. And you know, when I just start, it take me 1 hour or more to create a bonus page. That is something losing my a lot of time. Okay, and now I want to save my time, that I want to make my bonus page super fast in minutes. So in this software gonna help you do everything. This is kind of like also like a software, okay, and also like a page that to create very fast bonus. You see here, this is everything. You're gonna ask just few minutes, you done everything. I'm gonna show you just a little bit later. But before we go to the further about the Bonus Dynamo, and I also put ton of custom bonuses that I would like to give you. So hold the bonus that will help you out and grow your business faster. Okay, so what you need to do now, click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page look like this. Okay, then you can click to any red button here, it will take you to the sale page of the Bonus Dynamo. Then you can click to any yellow button in here and you are good to go. Okay, right. So before we go to the further about the software, about my bonuses, if you are first time to my channel, please subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I launch a new video, you get notification. So right now, let's get started. Right, so like I told you a little bit earlier, this is bonus page. Okay, this is all about the make bonus page really fast in minutes. Okay, and this the bonus page here is create optimized and really good looking. The color is super nice. Okay, I will show you just a little bit later. So you see here, this is inside of the bonus. Okay, but before we go to the further here, let's check out a little bit about the sale page of the of this core product. Okay, you see here, this is like the competition what traffic and profit seeking bonus and pays that you can increase in minutes. Right, you create minute. 99 of the affiliate don't understand least minutes and then bonus them fall in your game. Yeah, and if you don't understand the way to use the bonus, you'll be fooled, because you know sometimes you create 10 bonus for your customer, you create 20 bonus for your customer will see your bonus not very value. Okay, the best value to get bonus for your customer around 5 bonus. Okay, and you need to understand how to create bonus, and you need to create high value and fast bonus. Okay, create bonus very fast is all about the make money online right now, because you want to save your time and you do other things, right? You can create very fast bonus, then you can after you create a bonus, you can do other things, more value, right? In bonus, one thing, then you can create video, you can record good video, or you can do writing other article, something like that, right? So that's save time. Okay, this you can see here. You can see this yourself. Okay, I'm not gonna read everything about this page right here, but you can see here. This is some people talk about the bonus page. This is people already use. Okay, right. So this is the sale page. Now we go further about the bonus page right here. But before we go to the further, I would like to show you my bonus. Okay, like my bonus that I spend a lot of time put everything together to help you succeed. So if you still not click to very first link in the description right now, you can click to very first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page like this. Okay, so I would like to show you one thing, that this product gonna be launched today. By right now I'm making this video in the 16th November, so this product gonna be launched today, 16 November. Okay, so by right now you're watching this video, you can go ahead and post the product by click to very first link in the description of this video, and you go down here, you will see this is my special bonus. I want to just refresh a little bit right here to relaunch this bonus. And you see here, you go down here, you will see this special bonus. Okay, so in here I have spent a lot of time put everything on my bonus, that all of my bonus really high quality. That's I wanted to get you. Okay, so the bonus number 1 here, this is video marketing profit case. So in this bonus I'm gonna show you how to use video marketing to build your online business. Okay, so this is really cool bonus that I wanted to get you. You know that every business right now they need video, and video is in the future on marketing. Okay, so video is very high convert. So here is my core product, my core bonus that I would like to get you. Right here is video marketing profit case. Okay, and the bonus number 2 here, this is the new way show you how to rank number 1 in less than 24 hours. In here I'm gonna show you how to rank your keyword number 1 on Google. Okay, this is doesn't matter any what product you are create, a broad product you are review. In this here I will show you how to rank any keyword to number 1 on Google and YouTube. Okay, bonus number 3, this is a case study. Okay, this is 10,800 case study that I wanted to get you. I will show you how to do affiliate with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is the best way to do affiliate marketing right now as well. You see here every business right now, a lot of people use ClickFunnels. Okay, so ClickFunnels is a good way to do affiliate. You see earning every day right here. Okay, and then bonus number 4 here, this is YouTube leads. Okay, this bonus I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin. So this is a plugin. Okay, I'm gonna show you how to use this plugin to engage your YouTube video and increase your Gmail leads. Okay, and this is another core bonus. Okay, bonus number 5 here, this is SEO keywords mastery. This is another core bonus that I wanted to get you. In this bonus I'm gonna show you how to find the honest and the more profitable keyword the right way. Okay, and if your website do good SEO, you save ton of money. You will not do Google ads, Facebook ads, something like that. You save ton of money. And SEO is the future. Okay, this you can get free traffic every time. I love free traffic. Okay, so if you want to do free traffic, you need SEO. So this my bonus include as well. Okay, right. So that's everything about my bonus. To click to hold the bonus, what you need to do to post the product by the click to very first link in the description of this video. And after you post the product, you go to where you post right here, and you go down here and you see little blue button here called Asset Affiliate Bonus, and you click on here, you ask it to hold my high quality bonus that I promised to you in this video. Okay, alright, so that's everything about my bonus. So right now let's talk about the software is more important. Okay, so right now let's start with 1 minute to create your bonus in minutes. Okay, so right now if I file IN24. Okay, let's file IN25. So right now let's create a bonus, create fast. Okay, so this is the name. Git, this is the name. This I will name that sing review. This I get the name of example, but you need to get the name that's the product you are doing. You are doing review for that. Okay, and this is the enter your product logo. It's really easy. Okay, you're gonna your product right here. This for example, I'm gonna do this, and I'm gonna copy. You can copy image address right here, and I go back here, and I just put over here, and I enter your direct background color. You can you can see this is this product, they don't have any background, right? They only the color right here, and then you just gonna put the color, any color. Okay, you can put any color here. I'm gonna put white color because you see here this product in white color, or you can use any I think a lot of product out there, they have background. Okay, I think you must know that. You must know how to pick the background. Okay, and then go back here, and next one here, enter your product affiliate. It's really easy, right? You see here, you need to for other bonus page, you need to copy and do a lot of things. You copy every button and then put your affiliate link. Okay, but here you don't in minutes. Okay, and here you can see enter your countdown time here. This is from countdown time here. You can put, you see year, month, and day. You see here this 2020. For now, I'm gonna be 16, and I'm gonna year, month, day, 2020, year, month, 11, day 16, for example, right? Come down time here, you can turn this whatever you want, but I just put like that. Enter an image URL product. Yeah, this is the product URL you're gonna need. I just gonna copy here. You see you can copy the link on here and then put over here. And then video, this is the video you do review. Okay, video review. I'm gonna copy my video review, for example. I'm gonna paste on here, and this is enter your product slot header select cell tag. So this is the tag in the cell page. Okay, you can go back here. This is, you see here, this is the tag on the cell page. You copy that and you put on here. Here you can use the border. Okay, this border is really easy. You can just put like this, and it could be like that, and then lap here. You can just follow me, or you can learn more about that. And definitely you're gonna check in the tutorial here. You show you everything. Okay, show tutorial. You show you everything about that. Right, and go here, and right now enter description and price of the product right here. Okay, you can just copy whole the thing right here, upsell, downsell, everything right here. I think I'm gonna everything done. I'm gonna put on here. It's good to go. And you also need bonus. Click here and beginning bonus. Okay, a bonus image, begin select bonus plan. This is bonus number 1 here. Okay, this is very easy. I'm gonna copy my bonus right here, bonus address, and I put on here. I'm gonna copy bonus number 2 address. I'm gonna put on here, another one here. Address 3, number 4 here, copy address. This is really very quick. Okay, it doesn't like other software out there. It's create a lot of time, take a lot of time. And now done. Okay, then what you need to do, click to generate my bonus. Click on here. And then you should see something here. Right, so you see here, this down here, sing review right here. This is my bonus here. You click on here. You see very cool bonus. This is something still loading in my connect. I'm gonna reload. This is problem about my YouTube. Okay, that doesn't matter. So you see here, this is the review. You see, this automatically take the name of the name of the product down here, and this description, everything is really cool here. And you can click on here and you copy everything. That's really cool, right? You see here, everything you got over here and create for you in minutes. Really cool. Absolutely look like my bonus here, right? Absolutely look like my bonus. You see here, I love about it. I create in minutes, but my one here, I create only 30 minutes. Okay, only 30 minutes. And I think this is really cool. It's just, I'm not sure this is an issue about my connect with YouTube. Not sure, but yeah, you will get everything. And you see a lot of button here where your customer can click on here, and it's easy to do that. Yeah, I think I like it, right? Yeah, it's really cool. You can see more tutorial. You are shorter or get your bonus here. Click on here, it will show you everything. And this is all everything about the create fast bonus. I think this is really cool. Okay. Right, so this is all everything about the bonus dynamo, and that's this. You say you turn time and also turn the money. Okay, time is money. If you say turn the time, you say turn the money, right? And that makes sense. I hope so. Okay, right. So this is everything about the page, about the bonus dynamo page. So right now let's talk about the price. So what's price is really important, okay? So front end price is only $27. I think this is really cool, right? You can say ton of time. You create 1 hour, 30 or 1 hour, 30 or 1 hour in a bonus pay. Right now you can create in minutes. The price only $27, and you say ton of money, ton of time. I think this is good to go, okay? And especially if you wanna create your video good, and you wanna save more time. Yes, you're gonna need only $27. I think this is really good, okay? And then they have few upsell to you, okay? Upsell number 1, this is Bonus Dynamo Pro, okay? This is the Pro version. That's the price only $37 as well, and this everything you're gonna have. And the upsell number 2, this is the 30-minute purpose business. This $13. And upsell number 3 here, this development license, this $297. You have full access to Bonus Dynamo source code to sell a brand. This is rebrand or do with as you wish. You can have everything about the course here, and you can rebrand this to your. I think this is also good as well. Okay. And right, so that's everything about the Bonus Dynamo, and the price here I think really cool. You say you turn up money, turn up time. I think that's really good. Okay. And for myself, I hate something that losing a lot of my time. Okay, I hate something that. So I hope this video and hope this page gonna help you go faster, and plus hold my bonus. Okay, hold my bonus. That will help you go faster. Okay. Alright, so that's everything about my bonus. I hope this video helpful. If you have any question, leave a comment below. I love to answer your question. And if you are first time to my channel, please subscribe and click to the bell icon. Every time when I launch a new video, you get notification. So right now, I will see you in another video. Bye bye.